Light moves the world. Wires connect people to people and spaces to spaces. We light up the whole world. The light of happiness transmitted through wires. A specialist of copper products, TCT. The past and present. The light of happiness that connects us to the future. TC is always with us. TCT is a specialist of copper products established in 1989. For the past 20 years, TCT has been cultivating a history of trust and challenge, based on the corporate principle of reasonability and loyalty. Since establishment, based on the new materials and technology, TCT has been recognized for its quality control capabilities and won several awards such as the 2001 Model Entrepreneur Award and 2007 Honorable Korean Entrepreneur Award. TCT has already standardized its early products and acquired ISO 9001 certification in 1998, UL certification and the KS mark in 2003, and ISO 14001 certification in 2007. TCT is carrying out next-generation technology research following establishment of its research center. TCT is also registered as a subcontractor for Korea's top corporations, which require strict quality control, and established itself as a partner who achieves the highest levels of accomplishment. With its copper products, TCT has established itself as the next-generation leader of Korea's key industries, and is now internationalizing production and sales by establishing production centers overseas, for example in Vietnam. With modern production facilities and excellent technology, TCT is a leading company in Korea. It will become the best copper specialist in Korea's modern material industry. TCT combines technologies and develops the value of success. The Ulsan plant's oxygen-free copper and other copper wire production lines, and the Vietnam plant's enameled copper wire production lines are the core basic facilities that raise TCT's global competitiveness. From oxygen-free copper to rectangular wire, enameled copper wire, enameled rectangular wire, stator essay, and continuously transposed conductors, TCT prioritizes perfect quality in every product it produces and sells. Rectangular wire is used as coiling material in electrical equipment such as transformers, welding machines, rotary machines, and power generators. TCT's rectangular wires use various insulating materials depending on the equipment, closely adhering itself to the conductor, and has better insulation than previous enameled rectangular wires. To meet the customer's needs, TCT's rectangular wires are overwrapped at 1/2, 1/3, or 1/4 and increase customer satisfaction in the products. To prevent moisture and corrosion of aluminum and copper bus bars, and to improve the conductivity of electrical components, TCT has the best modern equipment in Korea that can perform tinning for vessels and silver plating for land use. TCT's core components applied in various areas make our lives happier and more affluent. Enameled copper wires are the basic material used in major industries such as automobile, aviation, electronics, and electrical industries. TCT's enameled copper wires are produced in the biggest facility in Korea and put through the strictest production management system for increased competitiveness. In addition, TCT devotes itself to developing new products to provide better quality and better prices to the customers. By meeting and exceeding customers' demands, we open up a safer and more convenient future. This is a time when insulation is more needed than ever. High-volume, high-voltage rotary machines require advancement of insulation systems. To deal with this market trend, TCT has succeeded in developing E-Micus insulation systems, and this system gave birth to the completion of VPI technology, TCT's own Stator SA insulation method, which has excellent heat-resistant and chemical-resistant insulation qualities. TCT's high-voltage insulation system is an epoxy insulation system developed in conjunction with Nippon Rika Kogyosho, a manufacturer of insulation materials and coils for rotary machines. It has excellent electric and mechanical durability and has secured differentiated quality competitiveness by employing the vacuum pressure impregnation method, which is used in high-pressure machines. For example, TCT's mica insulating paper has excellent heat, water, and moisture resistance and flexibility, allowing no defects or foreign substances, and has high strength and excellent insulation even in high temperatures. And it has almost no heat generation or odor, allowing it to be used widely in electrical products, appliances, and industrial products. Oxide-free copper is made from more than 99.96% of high-purity electrolytic copper cathode and contains less than 10 ppm of oxygen. TCT's oxide-free copper has passed the standards of the American Society for Testing of Materials and boasts high conductivity, high performance, high precision, and high durability. Its value is recognized in domestic and overseas markets. Oxide-free rectangular wire is coated with different varnishes and is for use as coils in high-voltage transformers, power generators, welding machines, and DC motors. It is TCT's leading brand conforming to international standards. CTC is used as coiling material for large high-voltage transformers. CTC has applied epoxy varnish to oxide-free rectangular wires and coiled with insulating paper, and it performs particularly well in reducing loss of load, cutting production costs, and high-efficiency cooling. Our CTC production facility adopted the system with no driving shaft to enable each cage to drive independently without the need of cage arrangement. Accordingly, we have been producing CTC of excellent quality, meeting the requirements of various customers. In particular, to increase accuracy of head taping in the taping machine, quadruple taping method was employed. Taping is possible for up to 8 heads and 24-fold. The CTC has already been tested and acquired quality, warranty, and reliability. It is quickly becoming a core component in many transformers produced in Korea and overseas. Copper bus bars are important materials in various electrical components, such as nuclear turbine generators, rotary machines, and switch bars. TCT's copper bus bars are manufactured by rolling, boasting consistency, ductility, and fine surface sheen. TCT manufactures various types of copper and copper alloys which conform to the customer's demands, such as high conductivity and high purity oxide-free copper rods, tough pitch copper rods, red brass, and brass products. In addition, it also carries out processes such as hole drilling, bending, and plating, as well as manufacturing various high-quality products such as polygonal rods and diversified rods. From copper billets that are manufactured with tough pitch copper in the electric furnace, to alloy billets such as silver-bearing copper, brass, red brass billets, TCT is leading the market with differentiated competitiveness in quality. TCT created a mass production system through strict quality management following the establishment of the enamel factory plant in Hanam, Vietnam, the largest plant of its kind in Southeast Asia, in July 2007. Thus, TCT has created the base to supply enamel copper wire, which is used as a base material for major industries to the Southeast Asian market. TCT is leaping forward through active overseas investments in R&D, with the Ulsan TCT plant and our KCT plant in Vietnam as our strategic production base. The global specialized copper wire manufacturer TCT is looking towards a very bright future. A company that effectively deals with challenge, innovation, and external environments. Ethical management that prioritizes fundamentals and principles. TCT has always been growing with its customers by creating value. Based on successful entry into the copper products market and consistent growth, TCT is going beyond Korea's #1 and toward global #1. By focusing on investment into sophistication of facilities and research and development, it will expand the sales of high added value copper products and focus on developing new materials for the future industries. Korea's best copper product specialist based on the modern materials industry. Through customer-oriented ethical management, it will reach the times of 1 trillion won sales. In 2012, TCT will open up this new era. The light carried on dreams. Wires connect us to a new world for a bigger and brighter future. The copper wire specialist, TCT, will always be with you.